Hey kids, this is me again, and Benaya asked me, my older son, asked me where does our water come from? So that's an opportunity to explain to you all where does water come from. So we've got today we have some ways to get water. First of all, the natural way. Imagine yourself this is your ground, that's your soil, and the first origin of water is from the rain. Rain comes down, and then the human beings or the nature digs a hole and make place to a reservoir of water, like a lake. You can build your own, or you can take your water from a lake, from an existing lake. Now, when we take water from a lake or from a artificial reservoir, we use pipes. You can put pipes, see? You make a place for pipes. And you put pipes. I'm gonna show you what a pipe looks like. Like a straw. See? It's like a straw. It goes from the water reservoir to, see? Takes water from here and it can go till it gets to a pump. A pump takes the water from the lake or the reservoir to your house. And along the way you can find filters that takes out the dirt and germs and get a clean water to your house. Now, so we said rains, natural lakes, and we've got what if we don't have any water in a natural lake, or there is not enough water that comes from the rain. So another way is to dig a hole in the sand, the soil. Now, why should we dig a hole? You may know that, maybe you know that even today, and of course in ancient days, people used to dig wells. Wow, that's a bit hard, but that's the way to dig a well. You dig a hole, very deep hole in the land, and somehow you get to water. And how do you get to the water? Now, imagine yourself that the soil that we stand on. See? You stand here. And he lost his hand just now. We're standing here. Now what happens if we cut? I want to see what's inside the soil that beneath me. So what do? I cut it. Slice it. And then, wait a minute. That's the way to cut it. See? Now, that's the soil. We've got rocks above, sand beneath, and here, beneath the sand, the soil, there is an underground lake, underground reservoir of water. We can't see it. We can't reach it if we like dig it with our hands, but there are big, huge reservoirs of water beneath our legs, right here. Now, if we want to get to the reservoir, we must dig into the soil. Now, as you can see, I dig, and then you can see my fingers coming out of the hole. Now, the water that are here beneath the soil come out from the well. If you want water, just you can throw a bucket, or you can put a pipe with a pump on the other side. And it takes the water out of the well and bring it to your house. Now, another way is to make salty water from the sea, for example, or from salty water reservoirs that are above the ground or beneath the ground. And when you take water from the seashore, you take lots of pipes. I'll show you some pictures and put some links to videos of facilities to make clear and sweet water from salty water from the beach. But you take water from the beach, from the sea. See, that's the sea, for example. Take water with a pipe. It goes to through a lot of other filters and pipes in a special factory, special facility, and the facility and the filters make the salty water sweet water that you can drink. Now, there's another way to get water, to get clean and sweet water. The way is to take dirty water that you use like at home. If you flush the water in the toilet room, the water goes through your pipes at home to the sewage, and then wait, what happened here? And then it goes to a dirty water reservoir, and I'll put links to that too. And the water there goes through many filters. The filters take out the dirty soil or dirty whatever you do in the toilet room, for example, or in the kitchen. Take all the dirt and separate it from the water, and then take the sort of clean water through lots of other filters, and then we can use it not for drinking but for watering our fields and watering our grass at home or at parks. This is it. So I hope you all learned where does our water come from. Bye bye.